I have had this Fender Mexican Telecaster for quite some time, and as you can see, I've upgraded the pickups in it. And these are the Lace Sensor Ultimate Triple set, basically. These sets of pickups don't actually come in like a pack you can just get just as they are. I had to order these individually, so it took a long time to get from the States to here so I could put them in my guitar today. It did take a while to actually install because there is no pickup route in this guitar here for the middle position, so I had to get a Dremel router bit and just like gouge out enough space for this to sit in there. And this switch is still only the 3-way blade switch, so 1, 2, 3, so bridge, middle, neck, as it would traditionally be, but I wanted to have the middle position. But I typically don't use the middle position on most of my guitars, so I generally prefer the neck and bridge together. So what I did was I got a switch here that simply turns the pickup on and off. But anyway, I'm going to do some sound demos now. I don't really feel it's necessary for you to hear what a Telecaster sounds like, because you've already seen that and heard that a million times on a million different records. But I don't think I've ever really seen this kind of setup in a Telecaster before, so that's kind of why I also did it.